Our unique selling proposition is that our software allows you to take your IT environment that's within your network and within your company and extend it to your handheld device. So whatever you can do from within your office, if something fails within your office, you can actually just administer it right from your hip. We serve quite a few markets. I'll tell you that the issue with IT administration is not so much horizontal as it is vertical. It's across every industry. So we serve anything from a small company to a large multinational company. So our key areas right now are banking, pharmaceutical, some of the larger companies that suffer if downtime happens in their organization. Product of the year, actually, we think this is product of the decade. And the single reason for that is that we have not nobody's seen a product like this before. There's nothing out there in the industry. And once people realize that these devices can actually do the things that these devices can do. So we think that this is just the beginning for the company, certainly for the product and its awareness.
We at Abbott Point of Care are the makers of the iStat diagnostic system for medical diagnostics. Our unique proposition is we allow real-time bedside testing. So rather than taking your sample down to the laboratory, we allow a physician to get the answer right there when they need it and make a decision about what the next and appropriate medical care it might be. We have about 30 million tests a year, so if you think about it, that means that somebody's making a life-saving decision about once every second with our test. Probably 60% of our market is in the United States. Our largest markets are in hospital. Our tests are acute care. They're for making decisions about life and death. So everywhere in the hospital that you need the answer now is where we serve. What makes us think it's product of the year is the importance it serves for decision makers in medicine. As I said, each time that our test is being used, someone, somewhere, is trying to make a decision that affects people's lives. And we're very proud that we've come together with a unique set of tests in our Kim8 that really allows people to make decisions more quickly than they otherwise would, to take better care of their patients, and to move people through the hospital faster.
Pika Technologies is in the business of providing building block technology that goes under the hood in the majority of telephony applications that you might be familiar with, like voice response systems, custom telephone systems for prisons, for example, audio recording systems for air traffic control towers, for example. We've developed the Warp product, which is an integration of that technology of the PC platform and the plug-in boards that you tend to buy from companies such as Pika. And we now provide that in a very cost-effective, small, green footprint that allows our customers now to go after a lot of markets that they were never able to in the past. The Warp product has been on the market for about a year and has generated phenomenal interest. We've had over 100 design wins with this product, and we estimate that in the next quarter, at least 65 of those will be ready for commercial release, which will represent a huge portion of the various appliance-type products that are now out in the market.
These days, my favorite song to sing in the shower is a song that my kids sing to me. It's a Bruce Springsteen song called You're My Lucky Day.
I tend to be a Roy Orbison fan, so I probably have to go for something silly like Pretty Woman.
Probably I Can't Get No Satisfaction, because we're always looking to win in business, and we're not there yet.
And please welcome tonight's award sponsor, BitHead's Vice President of Business Development, Ted Burnett, to announce our winner. Ted?
Thank you, Janet. Good evening, everyone. And for those that were expecting to see Scott Simpson, our President and CEO, I regret to inform you that he's feeling under the weather tonight and couldn't be here. So perhaps no YouTube moments for BitHeads this year. But on behalf of all of the hardworking staff and innovative staff at BitHeads, we would like to congratulate all of the finalists in this particular award. For example, we did help 2 of the previous 3 finalists with their products this year, so we're very happy to be here to help announce the winners this year for Product of the Year. The finalists are iStat Kim8, Abbott Point of Care, Rove Mobile, Pika Warp, Pika Technologies. And the winner is...
what a surprise. I mean, I look at our competitors and I'm just flabbergasted that we've been chosen. So thanks to OCRI. This is a wonderful, wonderful honor, and I think it's a wonderful membership retention program that you have here. So thanks for that. We don't set out to build these products to get awards. That's never the intention. It's always about winning the war. And I'd like to thank all the people at Pika who made this possible. We have a lot of geniuses, a lot of high-energy people who are incredibly creative. And we have a little cross-section of those people at table 45. So boys, thanks a lot.